Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel are in Dublin. Right now, I wasn't here for many years. I remember, I think 3 or 4 years ago, I was here to see the Swords Castle. Actually, really nice place. If I found, I will put link below with the trip to Swords Castle to show you how beautiful the place is. Also, you can find on my Instagram, Daniel are in Dublin, photo from the Swords Castle. Oh, it's really nice. It's small shopping center with the Aldi. And also it's some park, lots of people walking and enjoying the weather because it's really good. I did what I need to do in the Swords already, and now I'm going somewhere else. We will see. I don't have plans, I have just things to do, and I'm just following my list today. But definitely with this amazing weather, I want to go to the beach and I want to enjoy time on the beach. Found a nice spot with the Dublin flag, 3 towers, and I do some shots and some laps and slow motion for my car because I start following on Instagram Toyota IQ Club and lovers and people from around the world posting photos with Toyota and I decide to do the same, and always I try to find some funny spot, mostly to show how small this car is. But now with this flag look really cool, and you can see on my Instagram lots of photos from Powers Court, waterfall, and many fancy and nice places. You are more than welcome to follow and like my photo on Instagram, and leave me some comment, and subscribe me of course if you like. I have one really nice shot, and I think maybe because I'm kind of close to airport, maybe I can go, but I'm not sure it's any plane enough close where I can just go and I can just leave my car beside the plane and do the photo, but I can try. You never know, maybe I can find something nice. We will see. I decided to go to Howth and get some fish and chips in the best fish and chips ever. I thinking about Bishop Bros, and I will get some food now because I'm starving and the weather getting worse as well, and I don't know what I will do later, but now we're going to eat something really tasty. Food was delicious. I got scampi with chips. Actually I want the low-calorie meal. It's the different basic fish on the Bishop Bros it's called, but this is something different, something local, but they didn't have a salad, and I decided to get the scampi because low-calorie meal is with the salad, and the salad is the best part. But if we don't have, I just choose something else, but was absolutely stunning and super delicious.